Okay, I'm coming in. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm here. Hello. 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 Hello to you and you and you. Everybody good? Everybody good? Everybody good? Back there, quiet on set, please. Quiet. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. My name is Lisa. This is the makeup look I came up with today, and it's based off something I want to start doing, which is the birthstone of every month. And yes, you guessed it, this month is January. So for all you January babies, I want to get this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, time to start this look, and first thing is first, we're going to be priming our eyelids, and I'm going to be using the Master Conceal by Maybelline, and I'm going to be applying this with my Maybelline Fit Me applicator. I'm going to put that all over my eyelid and just clean up my eyebrows as well. If you guys haven't tried cleaning up your eyebrows with concealer, do it now. This is the best, well, I mean, in my opinion, the best way to clean up those brows and make them look sharp like you see in those pictures. Do it when you do your makeup next, trust me. Taking the Morphe M335 brush, I'm going to be blending out the concealer I put on my eyelid, and I'm going to be alternating between this brush and the Beauty Blender to blend, blend, blend. To set my base, I'm going to be using this Morphe brush, and I'm going to apply the shade Mogul from my PUR Cosmetics palette. And yes, the bottom of my brush is broken, just like many other brushes, because my dog got to it. So if you see any bitten up brushes in the future, then you know why. And here is one of the many dance breaks you guys will see in the videos, because I am weird like that. With this Morphe blending brush, I'm going to be picking up the only shade we're going to use in this palette. And yes, I said one shade, the only shade, which is Jacz. So if you don't have the Jaclyn Hill palette, you can always use something similar. Any red will do, any dark kind of red. So you're just going to blend that all over the crease to start off and just build your way up. So while I was recording, my phone was actually going to die, so I went ahead and paused it and did one eye off camera, and here I'm doing the other eye, and I'm still blending in that red into my crease. So I'm still using the same shade, but I switched to a different brush just to focus that on the inner corner of the eye and throughout the crease. But I'm really getting in there to add some more depth with that same color still. And I'm just alternating between brushes, and I keep blending. as I go back to that Anastasia brush, I'm going to be picking up that same shade, but now that I'm going back with it, I'm going to be really using that brush to create more dimension with that same shade. So when you pick it up, just focus that brush inside the crease as much as you can, because even though we're just using one shade, I still want to create some sort of depth and dimension. With that same Morphe blending brush, I'm going to pick up that same shade, of course, and I'm going to start applying that to the outer corner of my eye. And even though we're using one shade, I like to keep this section. So first I started with the crease, now moving on to that outer corner. I'm going to go ahead and apply that and just pack it on there. Flipping that brush over, using the other side, I'm going to gradually apply Jacz on my eyelid and just go ahead and build that up and make it as dark as I need it to be. Grabbing this brush from Eco Tools, I'm going to grab the shade Hilster. I'm going to apply that on the inner corners of my eye, first spraying some MAC Fix Plus on the brush. Picking up Jacz on this brush I got from Michael's for like only $3. I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line and go ahead and smoke that out. For lashes, I'm going to be using these Cocoa lashes in the style Queen Bee. Finish up that look, we're going to apply some bottom mascara with any mascara you like. Just apply that on your lower lashes. There you have it, the easiest look I've done, one shade. You can do it, and if you are a January baby, this is even more perfect for you. So if you guys like this video, let me know. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and thank you guys so much for watching.